Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
The Sims 4 how to add worlds. So here I'll be teaching how to add worlds here at The Sims 4. So right now as you can see my character is jogging. There you go. Then he's now done jogging. Great job character. Thank you. Now, no, I think he's gonna go grab a serve. Oh, I think he's gonna eat. So now, all we need to do, to get ourselves a new world, add a new world here at The Sims, is press on this on the top right corner right here, manage world, and then you can either save or just go to manage world. But right now we're just gonna just go to manage world. There you go. After doing that right there, click on right here. Go back to world select. After here, you will be located to here. All of these worlds. All of these worlds has locks as you can see, but these three are free. Right this. So these locks are required for you to pay them. As you can see, there you go. You have to pay them. As you can see, it's 99.50 pesos. So it's 99.50 pesos. But it's a 50% off. So which means I think I'm gonna compute this. I think it's about 18 or $17 in USD. Yeah, between there. As you can see, and all of them are all the same prices as you can see right there. Same prices for each world right here. There you go. As you can see right now, they're all same prices. There you go. But we have here, there are few that are much more expensive. So, but starting from here to here, right there, are the same price. But here are they're much more cheaper. Right here, there are more cheaper worlds right here. There are one of there are much there are worlds that are very expensive right here, as you can see right now. So yeah, that's how you add the worlds. All you need to do is click on that and then click on buy now. After clicking on buy now, you will be directed to your Steam. And once you're here, you see you just need to buy it. So view my cart. You can either pay it with credit card, e-wallets, or maybe your Steam wallet if you have some money there. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.